Hey shippers, I'm deviating from my planned topic today because I got a question about creating your own membership site. So let's say you want to create a membership site and you want to do it on a very small budget. What are my recommendations? I definitely have some opinions about this, and there's basically a few tools that you need. One, you're going to need a website where you can host your content and where you can restrict that content based on the levels of your members, based on whether people have access to certain content, whether that's free or paid. And you want to be able to drip feed your lessons, so control when the lessons release. And you want to have some kind of engagement. So you want to know when people are going through the lessons and how they're engaging with your content. And then you also ideally want to be able to target those people based on their engagement level and send automated emails to keep them motivated and basically gamify your content. Maybe you want to unlock different things based on what people have viewed. And so all of those features are present in the service that I'm going to tell you about now, which is called Member Vault. And Member Vault is a hosted solution, and I know that I talk a lot about owning your platform and owning your content, but as someone who's created several custom membership sites, it is a lot of work and it's very, very expensive. So if you're just getting your feet wet in this and you want to try it out and see if it's going to work, then I highly recommend using Member Vault as your starting point, as your minimum viable product. And it can scale as much as you want it to. If you have wild success, then you can go ahead and build your own platform. That's great. But Member Vault has all of the features that I just mentioned. So here I have the user view. So I'm logged in as just a regular user with access to different content. And one thing that Member Vault allows you to do is it allows you to host your content in one place. So even if you're not planning to create a membership site, if you have a lot of lead magnets and freebies and things that you give away to people, you could put it all in Member Vault, and then you could actually know how people are engaging with that content. Another thing that it does is it allows people to binge and buy. So they have one place they can go to see everything that you offer. So you can put all of your products and services and free stuff in here, and then people can see and choose what they want based on where they're at in their business or what their needs are. So this is the user view, and you can see what content you have access to, and then if there's more content that the user does not have access to, it would actually appear below as available content, and then they would be able to click a sign up button or click a buy button to go ahead and get access to that content. And then the other thing that you have is this is the admin view. So you come into your dashboard and then you can see how many people and how people are engaging with your content. So they get EP, which is engagement points. And so you can see who's really into you and you can follow up with them appropriately. So that's what I recommend. And then you're going to need a email service provider to connect with these people, and preferably one that allows tagging and has really good automation. And for that, of course, I recommend ActiveCampaign. It's a perfect system to tie in with this so that if someone watches a certain piece of content, they'll be tagged in ActiveCampaign, and then you can create an automation that will follow up with them to either reach out and schedule time to talk with them or encourage them to go to the next step. So those are the tools I recommend for sort of the quickest, least painful way to create a membership site on your own without spending a ton of money. So I will leave the links to all these services below, and you can tell me what you think or ask more questions in the comments. And thanks for watching. If you like these videos, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're watching this on YouTube, or head on over to the blog to see the rest of the videos in the series. And you can go to carveldigital.com/tools to get access to my Member Vault, where you can see all the tools that I use to make my tech life easier. Thanks for watching.